The Tackwise Z1140 staple gun, compact yet powerful, using the professional 140 type flat wire staple. Features include a lockdown handle, a staple viewing window, a cutaway nose, a personalization window, and a belt hook. It's bottom loading for ease of use and jam prevention. Easy to use and fire, it uses Tackwise 140 staples 6 to 8 millimeters. This staple gun is ideal for a range of applications, including upholstery, display, shop fitting, insulation, plastic sheeting, wire netting, and many more.
Arrow's T50 heavy-duty staple gun is the best-selling staple gun of all time. With over 50 million units sold worldwide, the T50 is made with extreme durability, featuring an all-chrome steel housing. All of its parts are hardened in a 1500-degree furnace, so this tool is built with longevity in mind, often lasting our customers decades. Reliable and easy to use, the T50 is a favorite among professionals and do-it-yourselfers, and belongs in the workshop of any maker, builder, or crafter. This tool features a high-leverage handle, a jam-resistant rear-load magazine, and a staple viewing window. The T50 uses Arrow T50 staples in sizes 1/4 inch up to 9/16 inch. Get perfect results with every staple. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. The T50 is ideal for installing insulation, upholstery, general home repairs, and crafts. It's perfect for both casual users and professionals. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop.
Tackwise Combi Cable Tacker is a must-have for the professional installer. Ultra slim, it's the only tool that does the job of two and does it well. Perfect for a huge range of installations, including telecoms, alarm, satellite, Cat5 and Cat6. The Tackwise Combi Tacker is extremely versatile. Approved and demanded by leading telecoms and satellite installers, the Combi Tacker will give you first-class results. There are simple, no-nonsense features that include a fold-away handle and a pressure adjuster to adjust the power with which the staple is driven in. There's a cutaway nose to get into corners. This is a great tool that demands high-quality consumables, so make sure you use Tackwise CT45 and CT60 staples. Find the blue and yellow packs easily online. The staples are available in galvanised or white coating for a discreet finish. To load, turn upside down, open the magazine, drop the strip in, close the magazine, and you're ready to go.
Arrow offers a variety of electrical tools that use T50 staples, but the E21 is the first in a line of electrical tools that use Arrow's JT21 staple family. JT21 staples are thinner than T50 staples and are recommended for light-duty projects using fabrics, paper, cardboard, or thin plastics. Of course, the term light-duty refers to the scale of the project, not the strength of the staples, which are built with the same quality as T50 staples. The E21 is no different. With a battery life of 3 hours, this tool can get the job done. And the battery status light will indicate when a charge is needed. This tool features a soft overmold grip and a convenient bottom load magazine. When not in use, the E21 can be placed on the included base. The base can also act as an anvil for stapling two materials together. Included in the package is a micro USB charger. This tool works with JT21 staples of all sizes and will not work with T50 staples. The E21 is perfect for general home repairs, upholstery, decorating, and craft projects.
T50 DCD can deliver pro-grade performance like no other cordless electric staple gun. The 3.6 volt lithium-ion battery ensures that the tool will deliver 500 shots per charge. This gives the user freedom to use the tool in areas where power sources may be limited, such as insulation projects and larger upholstery projects. The motor drive guarantees consistent power with each shot, as compared to traditional solenoid designs, which may have inconsistent drive force. This makes the T50 DCD perfect for projects that require stapling into harder surfaces. This tool has a convenient bottom load magazine with a quick release feature, a soft overmolded grip, a battery light indicator, contact safety, and staple viewing window. The T50 DCD is equipped with a charger and a built-in battery. The indicator light will tell you the status of the battery. Solid green means the tool is fully charged. Flashing red means the battery is low, and flashing green means the tool is in power-saving mode. This tool works with T50 staples from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. The T50 DCD is ideal for general repairs, upholstery, crafts, decorating, and outdoor projects.
Let me show you how to use your new favorite tool. The first step to using the Topec heavy-duty staple gun is to load the staples. In order to do that, the first step is to pull down the loading rod. Afterwards, the loading rod can be released. This staple gun has been designed to be used with the three major types of staples: door type, U-type, and T-type. The staple gun has a metal loading helper that can be used to guide the three different types of staples. To load the door type staple, put either end of the staple around the metal loading cassette in the middle, like this. U staples are loaded by adding them inside of the metal loading. Finally, T-type staples may be loaded on either side of the metal loading cassette. Let's try our staple gun out using these door-type staples. So I'm going to load them by putting them in the middle of the cassette, and then I'm going to insert the drop rod, the push rod. We're going to go in and latch it like this. The staple, simply put the gun against the wood and then push down the handle. The staple can be adjusted for power, so if I turn it counterclockwise, it's easier to push the gun and the staples put into the wood with less force. If I turn it clockwise, I make the handle a little bit harder to push and the staple gets inserted with more force. You can see how far the staple gets driven into the board varies with the pressure of the gun. All staple guns jam, but in this case the jam is easy to fix. The first step is to remove the metal loading rod. The next step is to open the metal driving channel. Now you simply check for your jammed staple and remove it. And then reset the metal driving channel.